giant mammals. Elephants are number one. Elephants are huge. They are much bigger than our biggest humans. They are the biggest land on the earth. Wow! Take a look. Elephants are covered with thick gray or brown skin. They have long noses called trunks. Elephants use their trunks to breathe to make noise. They also use their trunks to grab food and drink up water. Two kinds of elephants. There are African and Asian elephants. African elephants are biggest than Asian elephants. The two kinds are different in their ways too. Asian elephant rage. African elephant rage. Grow up and up. Baby elephant weighs more than most adult humans. The mother teaches her calf how to live in the wild. Elephants live in the grass like a family. Adult elephants in the group help keep the young ones safe. Don't eat me. Huge elephants don't have to worry about her. Other elephant, lion and tiger, no adults. Elephants are too big to attract. After the 10 to 15 years, young males of their groups go to a low oak with other males. Female elephants stay together in their own group. Elephants flap their big ears to cool off. Young elephants drink milk from their mother. For 3 years, an elephant uses its trunk to breathe, drink, pick up food, and more. An elephant's big round feet have a soft badge on the bottom. Elephant or mammal. All mammals have a backbone, have hair on their bodies. At some time is their leaf. Are warm blondes. Bonds milk and feed their babies. Plenty plants. Elephants eat a lot of grass and leaves in one day. It takes adult humans 100 days in each too much. Asian and African elephants. Elephants are smart elephants that take good care of each other. They are very special animals. Bye.
Good job.